Midsummer Scream in Long Beach, California is the world's largest Halloween convention. With over 50,000 attendees, 350 vendors, and presentations from all the local attractions, it's a Halloween paradise. Unique to Midsummer Scream, of course, is the massive Hall of Shadows, a darkened space filled with miniature haunted houses. Today, I'm taking you through the Hall of Shadows here at opening night of Midsummer Scream 2025.
What is the situation here now?
Oh my God. I knew you had it in you.
Thank you. Don't touch my eggs. My horse made those eggs. Come on.
still doing here?
Welcome to my collection. Thank you for your mandatory donations.
Get out of my rummage pile! Don't touch anything in here!
Some spirits and demons and lay inside. But all are fake.
What is it you want with this phone? What do you want with these people? What is it you want?
Hello.
Hello.
Listen, mate, I know how I may look, but I swear to God, I'm innocent, savvy. I found her like this on my way to the dentist. Yeah.
That's right.
How I may look.
The dentist.
Yes, I know. I did it. At least I think I did that.
Oh no.
Kiddos, it's Mr. Float, and we're here with the CarnEvil of Souls at Midsummer Scream, and we're previewing our new tour for 2025. We're going to be doing 12 cities across the United States. We're going to be doing Los Angeles Comic-Con, Crew of Boo, Creep It Real, and dozens more, so we hope to see you guys this season. Come down and visit us here at Midsummer Scream all weekend, and stop by the CarnEvil of Souls. Bye.
Nice there. Might be worth getting you too. Oh, there was one other bit you gotta say. Like and subscribe. Some of the biggest more influencers. I see that.